If you are wondering if there is going to be an Android 17 update for Redmi A7 Pro, then the answer is yes. So apparently Xiaomi decided to support Redmi A7 Pro for 4 years for Android upgrades and 6 years for security updates. So technically it means that we should be able to receive new Android versions for Redmi A7 Pro till 2030. So in theory we should end up with Android 20 at the end of the support, the update support. And of course for security updates it's going to be 2032. So of course, since we are starting with Android 16, the next one is Android 17, so at some point it should be possible to actually get the Android 17 update. Right now, as I'm recording this video, it is unknown when we can expect Android 17 to be released. In fact, there is no information about the official release of Android 17 just yet, so it's very hard for me to tell. But if you are watching this video much later in the future, then there is a chance that the Android 17 rollout has been announced, even for Redmi A7 Pro, or maybe the Android 17 is already available. But you can be certain that sooner or later Android 17 is going to be provided for Redmi A7 Pro users. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.